Have you ever picked a dropshipping product that looked promising only to burn ad money faster than you could say add to cart? Yeah, same. In this video, we're diving into how to use Helium 10 as a secret weapon for Shopify dropshipping, even if you never plan to sell on Amazon. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build real e-commerce businesses with tools and strategies that actually work. Let's talk about how Amazon's demand data and Helium 10's toolkit can give you an edge before you even spend $1 on ads. Why Shopify sellers should care about Amazon data. All right, here's the deal. Amazon is basically the biggest real-time search engine for buying stuff. People go there to spend money. So even if you're running a Shopify store and you never plan to sell on Amazon, it's still one of the best places to see what products are actually getting clicks, sales, and reviews. And that's where Helium 10 comes in. It's like having X-ray vision for Amazon sales data. And when you're smart, you can use that info to validate your next dropshipping product before it flops. Let me show you how. Tools that still matter for Shopify dropshippers. So even though Helium 10 is built for Amazon sellers, a lot of the tools still pack a punch for Shopify. Let's break down the ones worth your time and exactly how to use them. But first things first, if you don't already have a Helium 10 account, we've got a link for you down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here. Now, you've got two options. You can either use code EcomMastery20 and get 20% off for your first 6 months, or use code EcomMastery10 to get 10% off every month. The choice is yours. Links down in the description. Tool number one, Black Box, your product demand radar. So this is Helium 10's product research engine. You drop in filters like category, minimum revenue, low review count, or low price, and it shows you a list of high-performing Amazon products that match. Here's what to look for. Monthly revenue above $3K, reviews under 100, priced between $15 and $40. Your sweet spot for Shopify margins. Low competition. This builds you a short list of products that already sell well, don't have too much competition, are priced for profit, way better than guessing based on TikTok trends. So let's show you how to use it. So like I said, you come up here to tools and we'll go ahead and click on Black Box. And this is where we can go ahead and set those filters. So this is the simple version, or you can click on the advanced version. So we'll go ahead and choose a category. Let's maybe choose something like, we'll just select electronics. We'll go price. We'll do 15 to 40 like we talked about. Review count, max 100. We'll go max number of sellers. We'll go maybe 500. And we'll go ahead and just click on search. Now we're going to get a full list of products that meet that specific criteria. Then we can go through here and look for opportunities. Tool number two, X-Ray Chrome extension, instant product intel. Now this one's simple but powerful. Let's say you see a product going viral on TikTok. You can search it on Amazon, click the Helium 10 Chrome extension, and boom. X-Ray shows you total monthly revenue for all similar products, average price, number of reviews, which ones are running ads versus ranking organically. And this is gold if you're trying to see whether a niche is full of paid traffic or if organic listings are crushing it. If the top sellers aren't even running ads, that's your green light. So let's go ahead and open up Amazon and show you this in real time. So if we come in here to any product, let's go ahead and check out these golf balls here. Make sure I have the Helium 10 extension installed, and we can go ahead and see that it's currently working. So if we go ahead and click on show full data, we can get all this information for this specific product. So its estimated 30-day revenue is $2.2 million, which is absurd. Cerebro plus Magnet. Keyword cheat codes. So Cerebro is where you enter your competitor's product ASIN and spy on their keyword data. Magnet is for generating keyword ideas from scratch. Why does this matter for Shopify? Because this is how you figure out what people are actually searching for before they land on your site. You can use this data to craft product titles, build Google shopping campaigns, write category descriptions, create TikTok and Reels hooks. So here's an example. If Cerebro shows that people are searching for best travel shoe bag for golf, that's your ad headline. That's your angle. That's how you stand out. Let's go ahead ahead and look at those tools now. So if we come back in here to the Helium 10 app, we can come in here and start with Cerebro. And this is where we go ahead and plug in a product ASIN. So we'll go ahead and just use this same golf ball that we were looking at earlier. We'll go ahead and plug that in and click on Get Keywords. Now this is going to go ahead and fetch all the data for all the keywords based on that specific ASIN. So if we go ahead and scroll down here, we can see golf balls, low compression, Callaway golf balls for men, Callaway golf balls, women's golf balls, and then we can go ahead and use all of these keywords in our own content. Review insights. Find out what customers hate. This is one of the most underrated tools. So pick a product with high sales and open the Reviews Insights tab. Filter to 1-star or 2-star reviews. Now just read. People will literally hand you product improvement plan. Too thin equals use thicker material. Zipper broke equals you show off your durable YKK zipper. Didn't find size 13 shoes. You add exact measurements to your listing. You can even use their pain points in your ads. So sticking with this golf ball example, let's go ahead and check out the reviews. So we can come in here and click on Analyze Reviews, and then we can sort by most helpful, most recent. We could even export this whole table, and we can either come in here and look at some different filters. So we can go by only verified, only helpful, only with images, only with videos, or we can go ahead and look for top phrases as well. Now if we come here, we can go ahead and click on keywords and go ahead and look at reviews based on keywords, as well as look at reviews by different product variation. Profitability calculator. Sanity check before you import. So this lives in the Chrome extension. You pick a product and it shows estimated Amazon fees, landed cost based on shipping plus cost of goods sold, profit margin. Now for Shopify, you won't have Amazon fees, but you can plug in your own shipping costs, supplier costs, ad budget, and use it to answer the question, can I make money on this before I spend money testing it? If your margin isn't at least 15 to 30%, back away slowly. So to go ahead and check out that profitability calculator, it also is shown right here when you're inside of Amazon. So that's pretty cool. So we can see the FBA fee here. We can see the stock. And so you can go ahead and use this information here to go ahead and calculate your own profitability. So if we go ahead, let's go ahead and click up here and show you the profitability calculator. So if we click on that, now we can come in here and get better options. So here it's giving us a rough estimate on our ROI per unit. So again, it has all this information in here, and this is just based on its own estimates and stuff. If we come over here, we can also look at TikTok Shop. We can also look at Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, this is a really great tool to go ahead and see if this is something that you want to compete in. Supplier sourcing. From X-Ray to Alibaba in one click. So let's say you find a winning product. From the Helium 10 Chrome extension, click Find Suppliers on Alibaba, and it shows you manufacturers selling that same item. You can filter by price, minimum order quantity, country, and compare that landed cost to your target sell price. Negotiate samples. If you're serious about branding, this is where it starts. For faster shipping, you can also check out platforms like Spocket, Zendrop, or Inventory Source. Just know the margins will be tighter. Portals, optional. Build your email list early. Now, Portals lets you build landing pages to collect emails before you launch. Now, this is optional, but if you want to test interest in a product or offer discount codes before running ads, this connects Shopify via Zapier and can help build momentum. Think of it as like a coming soon page powered by Amazon data. Step by step Shopify dropshipping with Helium 10. So let's walk through how to actually use this if you're starting from scratch. Step 1, spot a trend. You find a cooling pet mat going viral on TikTok. Step 2, validate it in black box. So plug in filters like pet supply category, monthly revenue greater than $5,000, reviews less than 100, price between $25 and $40. 3 solid products show up. Step 3, open them in X-Ray. The total niche revenue is $100,000 per month. Top seller has 45 reviews, price is $29.95. No PPC ads, even better. Step 4, open review insights. You notice slides on hardwood, didn't stay cool long, cheap stitching. That's your blueprint to improve. Step 5, run Cerebro on the top ASIN. You find keywords like dog cooling pad for summer, non-slip pet mat, XL cooling bed for big dogs. Those go straight into your Shopify product title, Google Ads copy, and video script. Step 6, click Find Supplier on Alibaba. Find one for $8 per unit, minimum order quantity of 10, and that leaves you with a solid $20 profit margin. Step 7, create listing on Shopify. Lead with the pain point. Tired of pet mats that slide around and stop working after 10 minutes? Highlight your fix, the anti-slip bottom plus longer lasting cooling gel. Add reviews, build a bundle, maybe 2 sizes or an add-on travel bag, and publish. Step 8, run traffic. Start with TikTok, UGC, and retargeting. Test Google Shopping ads using your best keywords. Use portals to collect emails or offer 10% off in exchange for feedback. And there you go. You just launched a validated product without guessing. When Helium 10 falls short for Shopify. So let's be honest, Helium 10 is not a Shopify ops platform. Doesn't automate order fulfillment, sync your inventory, send customer emails. It's not Deezer's, AutoDS, or Oberlo. But what it does give you is product ideas backed by real sales data. A better understanding of your niche, the exact language that customers use, profit guardrails before you blow money on ads. So use it for validation, not fulfillment. Which plan makes sense for most Shopify dropshippers? So if you're dropshipping with Shopify, the right Helium 10 plan can really depend on where you're at in the journey. So let's walk through it. If you're just getting started, you don't need to go all in right away. The free plan or starter plan is usually enough to get your feet wet. With the Chrome extension, you'll still be able to test out tools like Blackbox and X-Ray, which are super helpful for finding winning products and checking out what competitors are up to. Think of this as your warm-up phase. Learning the platform, playing around with data, and seeing what's possible without dropping a ton of cash up front. If you're actively launching products, once you've picked a product or two and you're starting to build out your store and listings, then it's time to upgrade to the Platinum plan. This unlocks the full suite of product research tools, keyword tracking, and listing optimization features. Basically, everything that you need to take your research seriously and make sure that your product pages are actually set up to convert. At this stage, you're no longer guessing. You're working with real data to make smart decisions. If you're scaling hard, especially across TikTok and Walmart, that's where the Diamond plan starts to make sense. This is for serious sellers who are building multiple sales channels, running influencer campaigns, and automating more of their workflow. It comes with advanced tools like the TikTok ad library and influencer database, plus Walmart-specific insights that go beyond what you get in Platinum. So if you're trying to build a real brand or operate like a lean e-com machine, Diamond is the move. And again, you can use code EcomMastery20 to get 20% off your first 6 months. Or you can use code EcomMastery10 for 10% off every month. Both codes work, it just depends on your budget and how committed you are right now. If you're just testing the waters, monthly might be easier. But if you're all in, that 6-month discount can save you some decent money up front. So is Helium 10 worth it for Shopify dropshippers? If you're still guessing on products, writing random ad copy, or blindly importing SKUs, then yes, Helium 10 is worth it. It helps you see what's selling, spot keyword angles, avoid saturated markets, build smarter listings, actually make a profit. Just don't expect it to run your store. Use it as your research engine and pair it with Shopify and your favorite fulfillment tool. Now, if you want to get started with Helium 10 or any other products that we mentioned today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.